Hey, all, Wild Weather here for LiveWeatherBlogs.com with a special update. The severe thunderstorms ripping through west central Pennsylvania now, basically going from Binghamton and Elmira, New York, past Elmira now, Binghamton, New York, through Williamsport, through State College to Pittsburgh. As you can see, these cells here, one indicative a possible tornado here just south of Williamsport, kind of skipping around here as it was moving off to the southeast. There's been some tornado warnings with these storms, and also the whole line has severe thunderstorm warnings along it. This line is going to continue moving off to the east-southeast into very unstable air. Look for this line to hold together until at least Harrisburg, and then we'll see what happens to the line as it approaches the Philadelphia-Baltimore area. We'll have to play it hour by hour to see if maybe it starts to weaken as it moves through the south to the southeast in time. Right now, I would say this area right in here, where I'm sending my cursor, is the prime target, including southern New York up there. Already, you can see there were some tornado indicated, radar indicated tornadoes here. This is on weatherunderground.com. Just in the last hour or so, unconfirmed report of a tornado in Elmira, New York. Storm Prediction Center continues to do a categorical moderate to risk of severe weather over a very large area. So keep an eye on these storms, even if you're in Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York City. These storms will be blasting off to the east-southeast in time, and the air is very unstable. We got a very strong southwesterly flow at the surface here. I'm here in Media, and it's 96 degrees. So 77 degrees at about 12:25. And 96 degrees. That's a dramatic increase in the temperatures there as the clouds eroded away from the dying thunderstorms this morning. Has really let things heat up. Tornado threat has increased in coverage over this area. Right now, the unconfirmed reports of tornadoes are up in this area, but you can see they dropped the 5% risk of tornadoes over a fairly large area. So if you're in central Pennsylvania up to Allentown, including Harrisburg, back to just northeast of Pittsburgh, this is a pretty serious threat all the way up to Hartford, Connecticut, Albany, New York. Tornadoes quite likely could possibly be happening. I wouldn't call them likely, but they are possible. And the wind is over a very large area. You could see winds 50, 60, 70, 80, 85 mile per hour wind gusts. This can do just as much damage, if not more, over a wider spread area than these isolated tornadoes will. Hail is also a little bit more of a limiting factor, maybe more or less back over the Ohio Valley, with wind damage being further east. But there you go, moderate tornado possibility is 5%, which seems low, but in this area, it's pretty vigorous to be putting that out. And then the wind, 45%. Again, looking at the current radar, here's the line moving off to the east-southeast. Your State College is moving through, Williamsport is moving in the general direction of Scranton, Allentown, and Harrisburg over the next 3 hours. Storm prediction, actually this is from the National Weather Service here. You can already see all the severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings up here, tornado watch in the yellow, tornado warnings in red, severe thunderstorm warnings in the orange, and severe thunderstorm watches in pink. This is Live Weather Blogs Wild Weather. Stay tuned for more updates throughout the evening.